Hello children, today's class is going to be 8th standard mathematics. Chapter 8 Linear equations in one variable. Topic Equations reducible to the linear form. In this chapter, we are going to cover the topics are equations reducible to the linear form and exercise 8.4 sums. Equations reducible to linear form. Consider the equation ax plus b divided by cx plus d equal p by q. Obviously, it is not a linear equation, as the LHS of it is not a linear polynomial. But this equation can be reduced to a linear equation by cross multiplication. Q multiplied by ax plus b equal p multiplied by cx plus d, which is a linear equation. The process of multiplying the numerator of LHS with the denominator of RHS and equating it to the product of denominator of LHS with the numerator of RHS is called cross multiplication. Now let us move to example sum. Solve 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 equal minus 4 by 3. Solution. See the question. We know the numerator of the first and second fractions are 7y plus 4 and minus 4 respectively. The denominator of the first and second fractions are y plus 2 and 3 respectively. Now apply cross multiplication. Multiplying the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. So we have to write 3 multiplied by 7y plus 4. Similarly, multiplying the denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction. So we have to write minus 4 multiplied by y plus 2. Now 3 multiplied by 7y will get 21y plus 3 multiplied by 4 will get 12 equal minus 4 multiplied by y will get minus 4y minus 4 multiplied by 2 will get minus 8. Now equate the two products and combine the like terms. Transposing minus of 4y to left hand side and 12 to right hand side. So now we write 21y plus 4y equal minus 8 minus 12. 21y plus 4y will get 25y equal minus 8 minus 12 will get minus 20. Now we have to find y. So write y equal minus 20 divided by 25. Here 5 is common factor of both numbers. So we cancel out minus 20 divided by 25. 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20. So minus 4 divided by 5. The solution of y equal minus 4 divided by 5. Let us move to exercise sum. Solve 5x divided by 2 plus 3x equal 5 by 4. Solution. See the question. Here the numerator of the first and second fractions are 5x and 5. The denominator of the first and second fractions are 2 plus 3x and 4. Now we apply the cross multiplication method. Multiplying the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. So we have to write 4 multiplied by 5x. Similarly, multiplying the denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction. So, we have to write 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3x. 4 multiplied by 5x will get 20x is equal 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3x plus 15x. Now equate the two products and combine the like terms. Transposing 15x to left hand side. So we have to write 20x minus 15x equal 10. 20x minus 15x will get 5x equal 10. Now we have to find x. Write x equal to 10 divided by 5. We cancel out by 10 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So the solution of x is 2. Next question, solve 2 plus x into x minus 7 divided by x minus 5 into x plus 4 equal 1. See the question, in left hand side 2 plus x into x minus 7 divided by x minus 5 into x plus 4 and right hand side 1. So we have to multiply x minus 5 into x plus 4 into 1. So we have to write 2 plus x into x minus 7 equal x minus 5 into x plus 4. First we have to multiply 2 into x minus 7. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 7, minus 14. Now we have to multiply x into x minus 7. X into x will get x squared, x into minus 7, minus 7x equal x into x plus 4. First we have to multiply x into x, x squared, x into 4, 4x. Minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus 5 into plus 4, minus 20. In left hand side, 2x and minus 7x are like terms. In right hand side, 4x minus 5x are like terms. So we have to simplify the single term. X squared, 2x minus 7x will get minus 5x minus 14 equal. In right hand side, x squared 4x minus 5x will get minus x minus 20. Now transposing x squared to left hand side and minus x to left hand side, minus 14 to right hand side. So we have to write x squared minus x squared minus 5x plus x equal minus 20 plus 14. Here x squared and x squared are like terms, 5x and x are like terms. So x squared minus x squared cancelled. Minus 5x plus x will get minus 4x equal minus 20 plus 14 will get minus 6. X equal minus 6 divided by minus 4. Now we cancel 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So the solution of x equal 3 by 2. Next example sum. Solve 2 minus 7x divided by 1 minus 5x equal 3 plus 7x divided by 4 plus 5x. Dear children, we know the numerator of the first and second fractions are 2 minus 7x and 3 plus 7x. The denominator of the first and second fractions are 1 minus 5x and 4 plus 5x. Now we can apply the cross multiplication. Multiplying the numerator of the first fraction 2 minus 7x by the denominator of the second fraction is 4 plus 5x. Similarly, we have to multiplying the denominator of the first fraction 1 minus 5x by the numerator of the second fraction 3 plus 7x. So we can be written as 4 plus 5x multiplied by 2 minus 7x equal 1 minus 5x multiplied by 3 plus 7x. Dear children, already we know how to product of binomials. Here 4 plus 5x into 2 minus 7x. First we multiply 4 into 2 minus 7x. 4 into 2 will get 8. 4 into minus 7x will get minus 28x. Next, we multiply 5x into 2 minus 7x. So, 5x into 2 will get 10x. 5x into minus 7x will get minus 35x squared. Right hand side, 1 minus 5x into 3 plus 7x. First, we multiplied 1 into 3 plus 7x. So, 1 into 3 equal 3. 1 into 7x plus 7x. Next, minus 5x into 3 will get minus 15x. Minus 5x into plus 7x will get minus 35x squared. Here, minus 28x plus 10x are like terms in left hand side, and right hand side 7x minus 15x are like terms. So, simplify the terms. 8 minus 28x plus 10x. We have to subtract minus 18x. Minus 35x squared equal 3. Plus 7x minus 15x will get minus 8x minus 35x squared. Now equate the two products and combine the like terms. Transposing minus 35x squared to the left hand side and minus 8x also to left hand side. The constant term a to the right hand side. So, we write minus 18x minus 35x squared plus 8x plus 35x squared equal 3 minus 8. Here minus 35x squared and plus 35x squared are like terms. Minus 18x and plus 8x are like terms. Minus 35x squared and plus 35x squared cancelled out. Minus 18x plus 8x will get minus 10x equal 3 minus 8 will get minus 5. Now we write x equal minus 5 divided by minus 10. Here 5 is common factor of both numbers. So we cancelled out 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. The solution of x equal 1 by 2. Next question, solve 9x minus 7 divided by 3x plus 5 equal 3x minus 4 divided by x plus 6. We know the numerator of the first and second fractions are 9x minus 7 and 3x minus 4. The denominator of the first and second fractions are 3x plus 5 and x plus 6. Now we can apply the cross multiplication method. Multiplying the numerator of the first fraction 9x minus 7 by the denominator of the second fraction x plus 6. Similarly, we have to multiplying the denominator of the first fraction 3x plus 5 by the numerator of the second fraction 3x minus 4. So, we can be written as x plus 6 into 9x minus 7 equal 3x plus 5 multiplied by 3x minus 4. Now, we have to multiply x into 9x minus 7. So, x into 9x, 9x square, x into minus 7, minus 7x. Now, multiply 6 into 9x, we will get 54x. 6 into minus 7, minus 42 equal 3x into 3x is 9x square, 3x into minus 4 is minus 12x. 5 into 3x is 15x, 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Now, equate the two products and combine the like terms. Here 9x square minus 7x plus 54x. The both terms are like terms. In right hand side, minus 12x plus 15x are a like term. So we have to simplify the single term. 9x squared minus 7x plus 54x will get plus 47x minus 42 equal 9x squared. Here minus 12x plus 15x will get plus 3x minus 20. Now transposing 9x squared to a left hand side and 3x to left hand side. The constant minus of 42 to right hand side. So we have to write 9x squared minus 9x squared plus 47x minus 3x equal minus 20 plus 42. Here 9x squared minus 9x squared cancelled. Plus 47x minus 3x are like terms. We have to subtract. We'll get 44x equal minus 20 plus 42 will get a 22. Now we find x equal 22 divided by 44. We cancelled out by 22 divided by 44. 2 22s are 44, 1 22s are 22. So the solution of x equal 1 by 2. Next question. Solve 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equal 2x plus 1 divided by minus 2x plus 5. Apply the same procedure for cross multiplication. So we have to write minus 2x plus 5 multiplied by 1 minus x equal 1 plus x multiplied by 2x plus 1. Now we have to multiply minus 2x into 1 minus x. First, minus 2x into 1 will get minus 2x. Minus 2x into minus x will get plus 2x square. Next, we have to multiply 5 into 1 minus x. So, 5 into 1 will get plus 5. 5 into minus x will get minus 5x. In right hand side, first we have to multiply 1 into 2x plus 1. So, 1 into 2x will get 2x. Plus 1 into 1, 1. Next, x into 2x plus 2x squared, x into 1 will get plus x. Now, we equate the two products. Here, minus 2x and minus 5x are like terms in left hand side. 2x plus x are like terms in right hand side. So, we have to simplify the terms. Write 2x squared. Minus 2x minus 5x will get minus 7x plus 5 equal in a right hand side 2x squared plus 2x plus x will get a 3x plus 1. Now transposing 2x squared to left hand side and 3x to also left hand side. The constant 5 to right hand side. Now we write 2x squared minus 2x squared minus 7x minus 3x equal 1 minus 5. Here 2x squared are like terms, 7x and 3x are like terms. So we have to simplify. 2x squared and minus 2x squared are cancelled. Minus 7x minus 3x will get minus 10x equal 1 minus 5 will get minus 4. So x equal to minus 4 divided by minus 10. Here 2 is common factor of both numbers. So we cancelled out 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Therefore, the solution of x equal to 2 divided by 5. Is time. Now I check your understanding. First question, the value of x in the equation 2x divided by 1 plus x equal 3 is dash. Option A minus 3, option B 3, option C 1, option D 2. Here the cross product of 1 plus x into 3. So 2x equal 3 plus 3x. 3x, transposing 3x to left hand side. So 2x minus 3x equal 3. 2x minus 3x will get minus x. Minus x equal to 3. Now x equal to minus 3. So option A, minus 3 is correct answer. Second question, the solution of the equation 2x divided by 3x plus 2 equal minus 2 is dash. Option A, 1 by 2, option B, 3 by 2, option C, minus 1 by 2, option D, 2 by 3. The procedure of same. So, answer option C, minus 1 by 2. Third question, on solving the equation 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x equal 3 by 2, we get option A 1 by 5, option B 2 by 3, option C minus 1 by 5, option D minus 2 by 3. Here the cross product of 1 plus x into 2 equal 1 minus x into 3. So the answer option A 1 by 5. Thank you children.